war machines. The atmospheric pressure here is intense. This level has been sealed since 1945.
I can't believe my eyes. There are hundreds of crates filled with pure gold.
This door leads to the secret archive. I might find the gold manifest here. Finding this supply depot proves the military connection to this facility.
I'm definitely not alone in this mine shaft.
I'm not the only one here. Someone else is tracking these gold reserves.
These files contain the coordinates for the remaining hidden salt mines.
Radiation levels are spiking. There is something extremely dangerous behind the door.
The alarm is deafening. I need to grab the documents and get out now. This repair bay was hidden from the main maps, full of unfinished war machines.
These last messages indicate they were planning to destroy the entire complex.
This high-ranking officer's personal stash proves how deep the corruption went.
The structure.
I've reached the maintenance level. The exit should be just above this shaft.
This room holds the lost treasures of the Vatican. It's absolutely breathtaking.
air is getting fresher. The surface must be close through this ventilation shaft.